1. How to make a simple and easy hair bun. You only need 1 minute to make it. First, comb your hair to make it easy to style. Then tie your hair, not too tight, then fold it and tie it with the first hair tie. Take the middle part, then insert the remaining ties into it. Then roll up the knot while inserting it into the hair roll. Make sure the hair roll is really tight so it doesn't come off easily. Next, pull the outside of the roll until it covers all the rolls and trim it so it looks beautiful and elegant. Then use clamps to lock the roll so it doesn't come loose. Now you are ready to go to any party and you will appear confident because you look very beautiful and elegant. 2. How to tie long hair into a beautiful hairstyle. Tie your hair and take some of it, fold it, then tie it with a tie on top. Trim the ties so they look beautiful. Then take the middle part of the remaining ties and tie them, then put the bottom part into the ties. Then roll the knot into another bundle in the shape of a bun. Then lock it with a hair clip so it doesn't come loose. Then tidy it up, and now you have gone anywhere. This hairstyle is very suitable for casual events and when going on holiday.